Welcome to our deep dive into the amazing new features of Windows Studio Effects on a Copilot+ PC. Whether you're a content creator, a remote worker, or just someone who loves to stay connected, these features are designed to enhance your virtual presence like never before. Windows Studio Effects isn't something that's brand new in its entirety. In fact, Windows Studio Effects has been utilising AI to enhance your camera and microphone on devices with NPUs for years. So why are we talking about it now? Well, the experience has now got even better on a Copilot+ PC, thanks to the rapid NPU, enabling enhanced features without draining your battery life or slowing you down. It also saves you time by being easier to find. No more hunting through settings anymore. Just click Open Quick Settings by clicking the bottom right where your Wi-Fi, battery and audio icons are, or by using the keyboard shortcut Windows+A. In the top right here of Quick Settings, you can see Windows Studio Effects. So just click on that and we can explore the new features. Also, just a note, any effects we apply here are applied for any app using the camera or microphone, even if the app doesn't have that effect. First up, if you're anything like me, taking an early video call is never usually fun. Especially if who you're talking to insists on you putting your camera on. Seriously, who even does that? I can almost guarantee I don't look my best or feel my most confident before 10 AM. But in these situations where you can't hide behind your team's profile icon or avatar, try these things instead. Now, I'm not always in the studio, like today, with professional lighting showing me off clearly on video. In fact, if I'm at home, I probably struggle to even find a ring light. So to save me some time hunting through where I actually put it away, instead, I'm going to take the easy route and just use Portrait Light. Portrait Light easily enhances and brightens the light on calls or on video recordings at the click of a button. And if you've not cleaned the home office, you might not want to shine a light on it. So I'm just going to blur that background and hide it for now. Standard and portrait blurs have been around now for a few years, but they've got even better than ever, with more crisp and clear outlines of me so that my hair and my arms don't just get lost in the blur. And probably the main reason I don't want to be on camera is if I don't feel like I look my very best. Now, with creative filters, I've got the option to add a little bit of fun to my appearance, because I've got the illustrated, animated or watercolor effects. Now, not only are these a little bit of fun, but personally I think they add a nice smooth effect. So if my makeup isn't looking top tier, I've got a little filter up my sleeve to feel a bit more confident. Speaking of confidence, I have to present a lot on video calls, and I definitely feel way more confident if I can have some notes in front of me. However, it's not like I always want everyone to know that I'm currently reading. If that's the case, I can turn on Contact Teleprompter. This is a new version of Contact that uses AI to keep up appearances that I'm actually looking directly at the camera, even if I'm reading my notes on screen. If you're not into sitting at a desk while on a call and instead you prefer to walk about, maybe pace while spitballing some ideas with your colleagues, then you can turn on automatic framing. This always keeps the focus on you by zooming in wherever you are on camera. It also pairs great with the new ultra-wide camera on the Surface Pro, as it gives you even more freedom of movement while you stay in shot. Lastly, we can't always ensure we're in the quietest environment to take a video call or to record content. It's always that exact moment when somebody decides to start blasting music or alarms start going off or the symphony of construction work starts. Speaking from experience, this is so distracting, or can actually mean I have to re-record video clips, unless I turn on voice focus. Voice Focus uses AI to remove all background noise except for your lovely voice. Just look at how effectively it can remove the background music, just like this. So this is with Voice Focus off. Pretty distracting, right? And now, if we turn on Voice Focus, you should not hear a thing. only hear my lovely voice. Hi, Matt. To find voice focus, head into Windows Studio Effects and click on the microphone icon in the top right. So that's everything new and enhanced that you can find in Windows Studio Effects on a Copilot+ PC. 6 effects in total: automatic framing, voice focus, portrait blur, portrait light, creative filters, and eye contact. They'll improve how you hold and participate in calls or videos across any platform. You've heard it from me, but which one would you benefit from most? Let me know in the comments below. For now, I'll see you soon.